part of the anchor rod is going to be your connector between your anchor rod and your anchor. And these are the two options. You're going to have a swivel and a shackle. So the shackle is what we really like to prefer to go with in most situations because it is going to be a stronger connection. The swivel, in certain applications, you're going to go only on the 3-strand because of the twisting it may incur. Now, also the reason is because of the connection here. If the anchor is under some side loads, this could be a shear point that you want to just avoid. So again, there's nothing wrong with going to a shackle. It's very strong tensile strength wise, but on a shear level, you just got to be careful if you get into some rocky conditions and the anchor's set and you try to break the anchor free from a side load perspective, this could be your weak link. So, all right, moving on. These are going to be your two most popular anchor rods. Please, choose the windlass, the anchor rods that are matched for your windlass. On the Lewmar brands, we only use the top quality materials in both the galvanized and stainless chains, as well as the 3-strand and the 8-plate rope. So it really does make a difference. You spend a lot of money on this windlass, and we want to make sure it works well for you. So this is an important part of the process of making that work. And the rope, the chain, the galvanized chain, is got a certain spec for the size, so it fits your windlass properly. So let's make sure that you, again, approved Lewmar brand anchor rods only. The advantage of the galvanized chain is going to be strength over the stainless. Even though the stainless looks pretty, but the galvanized is going to be a stronger connection. Splicing that to the 3-strand rope, this is a New England rope that is it's called a medium lay, and it's got the right density for the chain wheel to grip on. Now, on both of these, you're going to want to make sure that you soak them overnight before you load them into your anchor locker. And the reason is these are designed, these nylon fibers are designed to absorb water, and it will actually expand in diameter to fit. So a lot of times a boat owner will buy the rope and chain, stick it in their windlass, and it's not going to work right away because it's going to slip a little bit because it's undersized. So as soon as you soak it in water and it basically causes shrinkage, it's going to enlarge the diameter, and your windlass is going to perform a lot better. It's going to grip grip to this rope a lot better. So the advantage of the 3-strand, it has a little more elasticity. It has a little give in the anchor rod, and it's also more abrasive resistant. So even though this has been around for quite a while, all windlasses will accept 3-strand. We really recommended it in areas like the Keys or the Bahamas, where you're going to have coral reefs and you're going to be careful. You want to protect that from shredding or breaking around those reefs. The 8-plate rope is kind of the rope of the future. It basically doesn't have any twisting issues, and most of the windlass designers have now created all their windlasses around the 8-plate rope. Again, the advantage is it doesn't twist. It is a little more, it's a little bit softer, and so it's going to be a wrap around the windlass a little bit smoother, and also it's going to save you about 30% of space in your anchor locker. So that's a really important piece of the puzzle when you're trying to get your anchor rod to fit on your windlass system to work properly in your anchor rod. A windlass is a great device to pull, but it really doesn't do a good job pushing into your anchor locker. So the gravitational, it feeds off a gravitational pull on the weight of the anchor rod. So that's one of the reasons that the 8-plate has been popular over the last few years, is because of space saving and because it doesn't twist on you. So That's going to be your advantages. Again, the stainless steel is pretty, but it's not as strong as your galvanized anchor chain. So hope this covers all your answers. If you have any questions, please reach out to lewmar.com and connect with a service provider on our website.